The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, or at least in tying your shoes. The surest recipe for failure is never to begin. Such a statement feels like something out of a fortune cookie. The awful truth? Cookies are sometimes right. You really aren't going to get anywhere unless you make a move, any move, to get started. The problem is, most of us overthink this initial step, the one before we take action towards our goal. We think we need all the perfect tools before we can begin. We spend too much time in research and preparation. Heck, sometimes we never get beyond the prep stage. While working on preparation can feel like a certain kind of progress, in truth, we're not really going anywhere, nor are we getting any closer to reaching our goals. At some point, ready or not, we have to take the first step. So the first step is simple. Stop. Stop making excuses. Stop procrastinating and drawing out the process. Just go. Put yourself in motion. Spend 10 minutes doing the work, then spend 10 minutes more. Repeat as many times as necessary until you're well on your way.